Today, you're gonna find out how one move can save you thousands of dollars. So most people think all extra mortgage payments work exactly the same way. They don't. Actually, most people think, why would I be making an extra mortgage payment? So extra mortgage payments and the timing of your payments matters a lot. And the most powerful window is your first year of homeownership. Here's why. In the early years of a mortgage, a large portion of your monthly payment goes toward your interest. So for most buyers, you basically have 4 components to your mortgage payment. A portion of that amount of money you pay every month goes back to the bank to, pay back what you actually borrowed. Then you have your property taxes, your insurance in case there's like a home fire or something catastrophic like that, and then the interest, which is basically the paycheck you're giving the bank to thank them for allowing you to borrow all that money to begin with. Now, disclaimer, you can have other fees associated with your payment, but those are the big 4. So when you make an extra payment early, even small extra payments, more of that money goes directly toward what you actually owe on the house. And the faster you pay back that is the faster you're gonna shorten the amount of time you have to keep giving the bank their interest paycheck, which is extra money. Now, maybe you're connecting the dots or maybe you're not, and you don't even know why this matters. I mean, you're in your 20s or your 30s or your 40s, and you just think you always are supposed to pay for where you live. But question, let's say you're spending $1,200 a month right now to have a roof over your head. Well, if you didn't have to pay that $1,200 to keep the roof over your head, could you find different ways to spend or invest that money? Heck yes, you could. So a goal for everyone should be to pay off their mortgage as quickly as possible so they can free up that monthly payment to either put it into savings or to invest other ways. And extra payments made right after you buy your home, especially the first year, have a bigger impact than extra payments made later. If you can't sleep one night and you want to understand the math, let me know and I'll walk you through it. But for now, this is why small extra payments matter the first year. They have a bigger impact. They lower your payments even faster. Now, is it always beneficial to make small extra payments any month? Yes, but the biggest impact usually happens the first 12 to 24 months. That's when your money works the hardest for you. And this doesn't mean you have to double your payment and you don't have to change your lifestyle. Even modest, intentional extra payments made early can have a meaningful impact. So here's the big takeaway. It's not about paying more forever. It's about paying smarter earlier. Most homeowners never hear this, but it's one of the simplest ways to keep more of your money. Interested in learning more ways? Stay tuned.